Hi everybody, and welcome back to the vlog out here in the sun in the good old Denmark. Yeah, I got a little something I want to tell you guys. Due to the fact that my hard drive on my computer just died on me a couple of days ago. Yeah, some changes are going to be made in my videos and stuff like that because, well, being that it died, most of my save games were lost. So yeah, but I might be able to get some of them back. For example, my Sims videos. I can probably make the family again, but it won't be the same. And as for my Minecraft, my Aether mod series, I gotta get that thing installed once again and do something new there as well. What more? What else? What else? Yeah, then there's my Far Cry series, which also needs to either be done completely new or hopefully. I have seen that my Skyrim, my Path of the Werewolf and Path of the Vampire, apparently those save games got uploaded to a cloud system in Steam. So I got those, but I need to get all of the content that I had, the custom content that I had installed before I can play on those two. And I'm hoping to God that that I have my DLCs as well. My Dawn God DLC, my Hellfire DLC, and my Dragonborn DLC. I hope that I got those expansions as well, because it sucks if I have to buy them again. So yeah. But yeah, I've had a little problem with my internet browser on my computer. My internet is working perfectly. I got my new internet installed and it is up and running. And I can upload videos. Normally it would take me a couple of hours for a 30-minute video. Now it takes me only an hour or something like that. Wait a second. Obelix! Gotta be careful for Obelix down there. He's a beast. He doesn't play well with Obelix! Doesn't play well with our dogs. Come here! Come here! Looky what I got! Looky what I got! You see? Come and see! Come and see! Yeah, come and see! Yeah, come and see! There he comes. Look! Looky, looky! Looky, look! Look what I got! Yeah, come sir! Come sir! Come out, Tikima! Obelix, come here! Come here! Obelix! Say Obelix! Obelix! See? See? Yeah, come here! Ah, fuck you. Oh. Well, at least it's just a pup. Okay, cool. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? We got Max over there. So yeah, just a little info for you guys that some minor changes will have happened to my Let's Plays and stuff like that. And I will also have a video showing off how mad I got at the hard drive. Totally destroying it. Oh my god. So yeah, thank you all so very much for watching. And from me, Max and Obelix, catch you on the flip side.